Hello, today I'm going to unpack the Gourmia French door air fryer oven. We bought this from Costco. I'm opening the box with a cutter, cut along all the sides. It comes with the cooking chart and tips. It comes with also with various trays and cookbooks. It's very light, and even my 9-year-old can lift this by herself. So I'm removing the plastic wrap. As you can see, lots of preset buttons there. Looks really nice. Yeah, here's a 360 view of the oven. You remove the red clip to open the French doors. Wow, it's pretty spacious. And you'll easily be able to cook a whole chicken or a medium-sized turkey in there for sure. So let's unwrap the trays. It comes with 4 trays. I use my cutter to open that. It shows you the fryer basket, oven rack, baking tray, and crumb tray. Here's the crumb tray, and then there's the baking tray with ridges. Here's the oven rack. It's pretty nice and big. And the air fryer basket. Before use, wash all the trays with hot water and soap. The trays look pretty clean, but it's always good to wash things when you unpack. And I would use a disinfectant wipe to clean from inside the oven. But the oven looked very clean, no dust or anything. But I just like to wipe. It's a very nice looking oven. Okay, you can see it has 6 different places for racks. It's numbered 1 through 6. So depending on type of food and how you want it cooked, you should place your rack accordingly. The crumb tray goes in the bottom and stays there until it's dirty and you need to clean it. Fryer tray goes on the top in number 1 slot. Oven rack, the round side goes in first, and you could put that in anywhere in the middle. Then the baking tray. Here are the different settings. You have choice of 12 different preset settings, or you can set your own temperature and time. Temperature can be as low as 90 degrees or as high as 450 degrees. Just to show you how big it is, we put 2 big casserole dishes and they both fit nicely. We are definitely excited about this oven and can't wait to start cooking with it.